Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you the Ads and Listing Studio. This tool is perfect for e-commerce brands that want to generate ads, marketplace visuals, and promotional creatives, while staying fully in control of layout, typography, and design. So basically, you can use this tooling to generate ads, or you can also use it for marketplaces, for example, Amazon or Bol.com. So first step is simply upload your product here. For this example, we're actually going to create an example for pedal racket. Same here, you can select the size and resolution. So for example, if you're going to use it for marketplaces, you're of course going to use the aspect ratio 1:1. But mostly 4:5 is used, for example, for social media advertising, etc. And we will generate a example of for social media. Here you can select the resolution. We're simply going to select here the 4K resolution. You can also choose the 1K or 2K resolution. But as I mentioned earlier in the previous tutorials, if we're going to generate with a person, I prefer personal to use the 4K setting. Here we can also use a custom background. We can select a standard background color. So for example, if you don't want to create like a lifestyle image and simply want one color, you can choose it here. Or you can generate a prompt and you can upload it here. I already generated a prompt for this tutorial and I will simply put it here. I actually described a outdoor professional pedal court at a golden hour with warm sunlight hitting from the side. And yeah, basically that. Here we can select the model with no model, hands only, female model, male model, or we can upload our own model. I'm simply going to choose the male model, so he's going to generate a model for me. And if you want to have better outcome here, you can also describe in the prompting section how your model should be looking. Here we can enter our headline and how we can position it. So yeah, we can simply, we're having full control on how and where things needs to be placed. So for example, we're saying build for champions. We can select the position, the size of it. We can also select the font. For example, we're going to make this ad fully in Roboto. We can also upload here our sub headline, and we can also choose again like the colors. Doesn't need to be fat, the size, where it needs to be positioned. We can also add features. So features, you can simply put, for example, 3 USPs. Also pre-generated these. We'll simply upload them here. So we can also select a call to action. So yeah, it's an option. So you can also turn it off if you don't want a call to action in your ad. But we can simply select where it needs to be positioned again, the size, the font. So we also want this in Roboto. Actually, I want also this one in Roboto, and I want to position this in the sender because we have those in the top sender and this in the bottom sender. I'm also going to upload the logo so you guys can see how that's going to be looking. And for example, we want this in the top left corner, and we can also select the size of the logo. So yeah, I will basically generate this and we'll get back in a second to you guys. So these are the end results. As you can see, the output is really clean. This is perfect for paid ads, promotional campaigns, product launches, and listing creations, for example, for Amazon or Bol.com. You can simply reset and close if you're happy, and you can download it later in My Generations. You can edit it, adjust and regenerate, or simply download it. Yeah, as you can see, we had full control of this one. We put the logo in the top left corner, the headliner, sub-headliner, the product with the model and the setting. As you can also see, the USPs we used and the shop now button with the green color code. And we can also simply edit it, but we will dive into that in a later video. For now, I will simply download it, and yeah, that's how you use the Ads and Listing Studio. And you can start building high converting creatives that match your exactly brand style faster and fully in control. So see you guys in the next tutorial.